Today's video is going to be a Cookie Monster cake. This is similar to the Elmo cake, except this one's going to be a domed cake. All the recipe and everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. This is going to be a chocolate chip cake with some blue buttercream, and I also included some chocolate chip cookies for decoration in his mouth. Now let's get started on this. We're going to start with our chocolate batter. Add a couple handfuls of chocolate chips to this, as much as you like. Combine it all well, put it aside, and then we're going to transfer this to a 2.5 quart bowl and then bake it off at 350 degrees for about an hour and 15 minutes. And then you're going to get your buttercream. I will leave all my recipes down below in the description box. Add some blue food coloring to that. And then we're going to put it in a piping bag with a grass tip. This is going to give it its fur shag texture. And then we're just going to start slightly putting pressure into the piping bag and then putting the nozzle just above the cake just to let it fall, and then you're going to drag away. It's a very slow pressure. As you can see, the frosting comes out in these strands that make it look like fur. Here's a close-up so you can see how it looks. I just put a little bit of pressure to let it fall off, and then you pull away and the strands just fall like fur. And once your cake is covered, just put it aside, put it in the fridge to chill for a bit while we prep his eyeballs. So I got 2 equal sized fondant balls, and then I rolled out some black fondant, cut out some circles, and these are going to be for his pupils. I got a little bit of clear vanilla extract, put that on the pupil and attached it to the white fondant. You can put his pupils in random locations because his eyes do tend to get pretty crazy. And then set them aside. Once you're ready, I put 2 toothpicks on top of the cake and then just attach the balls onto there. This is just to secure it, to make sure the eyes don't roll off anywhere. You can just place them on top without the toothpicks. I just wanted them to be extra secure. And then I baked some of my chocolate chip cookies. I will leave recipes down below again. And then put this around his mouth area and in front because he loves to shove chocolate chip cookies in his face. So here it looks like he just grabbed a bunch of cookies and just stuffed them in his face. And this is completely optional. You can put the cookies on him too, or you can keep this off. And here is my Cookie Monster cake. I hope you enjoyed this Cookie Monster cake. If you want to leave a suggestion for something else, put it in the comments down below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see a picture of this cake and everything I make, I post on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and all those links are down below. Until next time, stay sweet.